All right, hi everybody. Today is Tuesday. We're gonna start out our reading with the skill of the week, which this week it's compare and contrast, and then we'll go over the vocabulary. This week's story is called King Midas, and that reading will be in the next video. So go find your reading street books and turn to page 674. So you can pause this video and turn to page 674. We're just going to read the introduction. We're not going to read the story. We're going to do an activity. Okay, compare and contrast. Writers sometimes use comparisons and contrasts to organize their writing. Okay, so to compare means to say how something is similar. Contrast means to say how they're different. Feel the need to write that down. Compare is how they are similar. Contrast is how they are different. So that's what that means. Clue words such as same, also, before, although, and however signal comparisons and contrasts. Good readers notice the author's comparisons and contrasts and make their own as they read. Then they give you a little chart. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages means good things. Disadvantages means bad things. Like the pros and cons. The pros, advantages, good things. Cons, disadvantages, bad things about something. That's for more decision making. Alright, strategy. Answer questions. Good readers know where to find the answers to questions about what they read. To answer questions about comparisons and contrasts, look for clue words and use your prior knowledge. You may find an answer in just one sentence. Look at that. Other times you will find it in several different places. So the key to that there is to keep reading. Lots of times we don't know what we're doing. We're like, oh, I need help, and you automatically seek an adult. Lots of times the answers can be found if you just keep reading and you think about it. So that's why I always tell you to read it again, and then read it one more time, just to make sure you didn't miss it. So quite often, especially in this type of stuff, the answers are in the reading. You just gotta keep reading it. Okay, so let's talk compare and contrast. What we're going to do today is to compare some different objects, and then we will compare and contrast some story elements. Okay, down over here I have a bunch of stuff. Okay, first I have, let me see that. I have an apple and a banana. Apple and banana. Let's compare how these things are similar and how they are different. Oh, I gotta move my stand over here. There. Alright. So how is an apple and a banana similar and different? Right? How are they similar? Oh, another way you can do, there we go. You can keep track of your comparisons and contrasts is through a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram, that's the circles that are overlapping. Looks like that. That's a Venn diagram. Okay, this is where you would list, like say we're going to put the banana, and the apple. Okay, and then this is how they're similar. Alright, so let's list some things about an apple. Well, what can we say about this apple? It's round. It's red. What else could we say about an apple? If you could feel this, I just took this out of the refrigerator, so this is cold. You keep, wow, I spelled red wrong. Wow. We keep apples in the refrigerator. Lots of people do that. So it's cold. What is an apple, when you bite into an apple, what does it feel like in your mouth? Crispy, crisp, or crunchy, or both. Okay, so that's just some fun things about an apple. That's some great things about an apple. Oh, can you eat the apple skin? Yes, you can eat the skins. Some people like them, some people don't. Okay, let's talk about a banana. This apple, or this banana needs to be eaten soon. Okay, what can we say about this? It's yellow, or supposed to be. Mine has a lot of brown spots, so we can say this one's yellow and brown. Right? What else can we say about this? Compared to an apple. Okay, it's tall and skinny, whereas the apple was short and round. Okay, what else about this? If you were to eat a banana, what would the banana part feel like in your mouth? Soft, right? It's soft. And if I were to eat this right now, it would be kind of mushy. This is almost like banana bread. Perfect. Like this is what you would, a couple more of these and you make banana bread. Okay, soft and mushy. Can you eat the skins? No. There's some people who insist that the inside of a banana peel is good for your teeth. I'm not going to try it because gross. So no, you should not eat a banana peel. Not eat the peel. Alright, so that, okay, so there's our banana. So this is how they're different. These are their contrasts. Alright, so let's say how they are similar. These are our contrasts. Let's compare how they're similar. Okay, what are similar about these two? They're both fruit. They're both sweet. They're both healthy. Okay, so that's some things about that. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's see if we can come up with one more similarity between these, or comparison. They both have vitamins and minerals in them. That goes along with health. So that's how they are similar. Okay? Let's do another one. Alright? Move my fruit out over there. Now, here I have Doritos and Lay's classic potato chips. Okay, so we have two kinds of chips. Right? Stand them up so you can see them. Okay, let's draw another Venn diagram. Okay. Remember a Venn diagram. Oh, that's a bad one. You can't even get the comparisons in there. Hold on. Today's not my day for circle drawing. Okay. Let's start with the Doritos first. Okay, so what's different about, what can we say about Doritos nacho chips? They're red. The bag is red. They, if you know anything about Doritos, you can even see on the outside. The chips are triangle, or supposed to be. They're orangish reddish. Okay, what else can we say about this that is distinctly Doritos? Look at the back. We can see the ingredients. The first ingredient is corn. These are, oh, remember, corn is a staple crop, even today. So, yes, these are corn chips. Alright, let's look at the other one. Okay, what can we say about this bag of chips? Okay, the bag is yellow. Okay. What shape is our chip? They're supposed to be circles or ovals. Circles. What color are these? They're whitish, yellowish. Okay. And what are they made from? It's our first, where's our ingredient list? Oh, this has a lot less ingredients too. Check that out. The first ingredient is potatoes. They're made out of, so it's potato chips versus corn chips. Okay, and less ingredients. Okay, so that's our comparison so far. Back it up so you can get. Okay. So that's how they're different. These are our contrast. This is how they are different. Now, let's do our comparisons. How are they similar? Well, they're both chips. Are these a healthy snack? Or either one of these a healthy snack? No, they are not. So they are unhealthy. So we call that a sometimes food. So that's something you should eat sometimes. Okay. Do you guys know what what chips are most known for other than being unhealthy? They're excellent, well not excellent, they're a crazy source of salt. Doritos have a 9% of your daily sodium intake, or how much salt you should eat. And potato chips are 7% of your daily sodium intake. Read the labels. It's always important to read labels. So 7% of your sodium for the potato chips and 9% of your Doritos. So full of salt. And they're both delicious. We just went over how unhealthy they are, but they are delicious. So there is some comparison and contrast to chips. Okay, let's do one more food item and then we'll do some story elements. I'm legit gonna eat those later. Sorry, not sorry.